What's up everyone? For this Tech Tuesday, we're at the shop. We're doing wiring today. We are building the harness for the 2017 F250 that we're converting to electric. We're going to talk to you about the importance of using the right tools to make wiring a lot easier and pain-free later on down the road. So we have Amanda over here at the harnessing table. She's going to show us what it is like to use the right crimper for the right pin.
Today we're using the Molex MX150 crimper. It's important to use this crimper for the MX terminals. Just put it in here like this. It's perfect, so it seats in there just nicely. You're able to just put your wire in. This specific crimper, it doesn't let go until it's fully crimped. Perfect crimp. Make sure you give it a good tug at the end so it doesn't come out. Thank you for watching our Tech Tuesday. Like and subscribe.